It's completely dark. Dude, you can't see jack. There's the light. Say hello to the camera, Jordan. Hi, camera. It'll look awesome once it brightens up. There's no thunderbolt! Yeah. There were a couple earlier, they're all gone now. Oh, good. It is raining like crazy.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. We haven't got to water the grass for a while. Nope. I mean, look at this. I wish you could see it. Because you can't. It's just too dark. You can kind of see it. Like this if you started playing War Pigs when the sirens went off. Shortly after that, thunderstruck. The rain got heavier.
Yeah, that's not a good sign.
Yeah. Dude, that thing is destroying our flower bed. Look at that. It's like a huge puddle.
Did you guys sleep in the house, please?
Alright.
Come on,
Okay.
I go to my channel.
Oh, you can see it
Weather channel right here in front of me. I'm watching the storm.
I'm gonna go play Ride the Lightning.